Welcome back to new class, new topic, new lecture. In first lecture already we have learned find the square in various method a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square and a plus b plus c whole square. Today we will learn simplify, find the product and find the value, show that and prove that. So let's come back. Firstly we will learn today simplify. Please follow the board. You can say here simplify. Here is twice a plus 3b minus 2 into twice a plus 3b, 3b minus a plus 3b minus a whole square. So if you can see the math described by a and b, then you have to take x and y, and if you can see math described by xy, then you have to take a and b. Okay, I think you all are clear. If described by a and b, you have to take x and y. I think you have got it. Now you can see here is twice a plus 3b whole square minus 2 into twice a plus thrice b into 3b minus a plus 3b minus a whole square. Let twice a plus thrice b equal to x and thrice b minus a equal to y. Now you can see twice a plus thrice b, therefore the given expression will be twice a plus thrice b equal to, we have taken x, so here is x square minus 2xy plus this is y square. So we will get x square minus 2xy plus y square. We can write x minus y whole square. Now putting the value of x and y. So what is the value of x? Twice a plus thrice b. Be careful, you have to use bracket. And putting the values of y, thrice b minus a, b minus a, this square. Okay. Now follow the board. We draw the bracket. Twice a plus thrice b minus plus minus thrice b minus minus plus a. This is whole square. Let's come back. You can say here is minus thrice b, here is plus thrice b. So twice a plus a, we have got here twice a plus a. We have got 2 plus 1, 3a whole square. 3a whole square equal to 9a square. So we have got the answer. Now follow the board again. You can say here is twice a plus thrice b whole square minus 2 into twice a plus thrice b into thrice b minus a plus thrice b minus a whole square. Okay, we have taken twice a plus thrice b equal to x and thrice b minus a equal to y. Therefore the given expression equal to twice a plus thrice b equal to x. This equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square. So according to the rules, a minus b whole square equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. Just x minus y whole square. Now putting the values of x equal to this and y equal to this. Now we draw the bracket minus plus a minus plus a minus 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 plus minus thrice b plus thrice b cut. We have got twice a plus a thrice a whole square. 3 3 is a 9. We have got the answer is 9a square. So this maths done. Here is 8x plus y whole square minus 16x plus twice y into 5x plus y plus 5x plus y whole square. We all know the rules. A square plus twice ab plus b square and a square minus twice ab plus b square. But here is 2 is absent. You can see here is 2 is absent. So you have to find out here where is 2. So At first you have to write 8x plus y whole square. You can see here is 2 and here is 16. So we can take easily common 2. So we have got here 8x plus y into 5x plus y plus 5x plus y whole square. Already we have got a square position. You can see this is a square position minus here is we have got 2 a and b position plus b square. So this math described by x and y, For this we have to take a and b. So let 8x plus y equal to a and this position equal to a and this is b position, and 5x plus y equal to b. Therefore the given expression equal to, we have got a square minus twice ab plus b square. So because 8x plus y equal to a and 5x plus y equal to b, for this equal to a square and this equal to b square. So we have got a square minus twice ab plus b square. Now we can write a minus b whole square. Now putting the values of a, what is the values of a? 8x plus y. 8x plus y minus what is the values of b? 5x plus y. 5x plus y whole square. Now we draw the bracket. We got 8x plus y minus into plus, here is minus 5x minus plus a minus y whole square. Now you can see here is minus y, here is plus y cut. So here is 8x and here is 5x. So we get 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 equal to 3x whole square. So 8x minus 5x. Here is minus 5, here is plus 8. So 8 is bigger than 8 is greater than 5x. So 8 minus 5 we get 3. So 3x whole square. We have got the answer 9x square. So now we have got the number, another maths, 8x plus y, 16x plus twice y, 5x plus y, 5x plus y. Here is 2 is absent. For this reason we have taken here is 2 common. So we have got 2 into 8x plus y into 5x plus y plus 5x plus y whole square. So if the math described by a, we have to take xy, but here is x and y. For this we have taken, this is a and this is b. So we have got a square minus twice ab plus b square. So a square minus twice ab plus b square, a square minus twice ab plus b square equal to a minus b whole square, Now putting the values of a and b. If you are interested, even you have to give here side note. So 8x plus y, just in this line we draw the bracket. Here is 8x plus y minus 5x plus minus y, y cut. We get 8x minus 5x equal to 3x whole square. We have got 9x square. So we have done simplify. Now we will do the multiplication using formula. In multiplication there are lots of rules. Just we will remember only 2 rules. Here is a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, and another is x plus a into x plus b. The x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. It has another rules, but no need. Just if you memorize only this and these rules, you can do any maths. So you have to remember x plus a and x plus b. Every maths, just if you can see product, you have to convert into x plus a and x plus b position you have to find out. Then you can easily solve the maths. So let's come back. We will do product using the formula. Find the product applying formula. So we know the rules for product: a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, and another x plus a into x plus b, x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Be careful here. Here is a, here is a, here is b, here is b, but sign is different. But here is, you can see, here is first and first are x, but here is a, here is b. So you can say here is ax plus b. You can follow a plus b, ax minus b, a minus b. So easily, number one, if we follow these rules, we can do the maths easily. Actually, this maths will come for, it will not come for the 2 marks math, but it is very important for your MCQ. Okay, let's come back. You can see here is ax plus b. Number 1, ax plus b into ax minus b. So this is a plus b, a minus b. So we get a square minus b square. That means we have got a square x square minus b square. Maths completed. Number 1 completed. We have got a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b. So we have got a square minus b square. So ax whole square. So is a square and x square minus b square. So we have done maths number 1. That means a plus b into a minus b completed. Now we will do maths number 2. Please follow the board. We will do another maths. 6x plus 17, 6x minus 13. This is not a plus b and a minus b. This is x plus a into x plus b. But here is minus. We have to convert into plus. Then we can solve the maths easily. Easily we can do the maths. So please come back here. We will do maths number 2. Please come. You can say here number 2 is 6x plus 17 and 6x minus 13. So we have done a plus b into a minus b. We have got easily a square minus b square. But this is not a plus b into a minus b. You can say, we know the rules, x plus a into x plus b. So here is x, here is x. But here is 17, here is 13. So if we think that this is a, we have to think that this is b. But here is minus. We can, if we memorize the rules x plus a into x minus b, easily we can do it. But we will not memorize all rules. Just if we keep it in our mind only x plus a into x plus b, we can easily do the maths. So let's, you can see here is 6x plus 17 into 6x, we take plus, here is minus 13. You can see here plus into minus, minus. Just you have to convert into positive formation. You have to convert into positive formation, plus. So easily we can do this. So x plus a into x plus b. So what is the rules? X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So you can see here, here is 6x, that means a square. Here is x square. So 6x, this is the x square plus a plus b. What is a? Here is 17 is a and minus 13, this is the b. A plus b into a plus b into x. So this is a and this is b. A plus b. I have taken, here is minus. Just convert into plus. Plus a minus, plus into minus, minus. Just I have taken here is plus. So 6x plus 17, 6x plus minus plus, I have taken plus, first bracket started, here is minus. So a plus b into x plus ab. 17 is a, here is 17 is a, and minus 13, here is b. So you can see 6x whole square equal to 36 x square. Now here is plus 17 minus into plus minus 13 into 6x and plus into minus 17 into 13. You can use a small calculator here. So 17 into 13, use rough work. 17 into 13, 3 into 17, 51, and here is 17. So 1, 7 plus 5, 2, 7 plus 12, 2, and 1, 2 to 1. So minus into plus minus 221. We have got 36 x square plus 4 into 6x minus 221. The answer is 36 x square plus 24x minus 221. So you can see we have got x plus a into x plus b, x plus a into x plus b. So the first one is a plus b into a minus b, and second one x plus a into x plus b. So we have got the answer. So math number 2 done. This is this math done. Now we will do math number 3. Let's come back. We can see here is number 3. Ax minus by plus cz into ax plus by minus cz. So we will do this math. Here is ax minus by plus cz, ax plus by minus cz, by minus cz. Here is plus, here is minus, but here is minus cz, here is plus cz. So you have to rearrange at first, then easily we can find out this will be a plus b into a minus b or x plus a into x plus b. Let's come back. You can see here is ax, take common, we get by minus cz, and another ax plus by minus cz. This is very important maths. So we have taken common here is minus. For this, minus into plus minus. Here is ax, here is plus by minus cz. So a minus b, this is a position and this is b position, a minus b into, we can see a plus b, a plus b, a position plus b position, a plus b, a minus b. So we have to go back in these rules, a plus b into a minus b. So we can write a square minus by minus cz. So ax, this is a square minus by minus cz whole square, a square minus b square. So we have got a square x square. Here is again a minus b whole square. Take second bracket, we have got a square minus 2ab plus b square. Second bracket, here is a square x square minus into plus minus b square y square minus into minus plus twice by cz and minus into plus minus, we get c square z square. So we have got done math number 3. This is very important, be careful. So we have done math number 3. So applying formula, okay, we have to do find the value, show that and prove that. For show that and prove that, we have to know some corollary. So let's come back here. Find the value, show that and prove that. A plus b whole square equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab, and a minus b whole square equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab, and a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus twice ab, a square plus b square equal to a minus b whole square plus twice ab, and 2 into a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. Be careful. Here is 2 into a square plus b square, here is a square plus b square. In a square plus b square, this is the given part, this is the given part, this is given part, this is given part. Be careful. If you can find out easily the given part, you can do the maths easily. So you have to keep it in your mind. 4ab equal to a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, and ab equal to a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square. Okay, So now we will do show that and prove that type maths and find the difference between square of two numbers also. Okay, now come back, we will do find the value and show that. Okay, so please come back. You can see here is, if a equal 4, b equal c, c equal 3, then 4a square b square minus 16a b square c plus 16b square c square equal to what? If you can say this type of maths, you have to follow the given part carefully. So you can say 4a square b square, 16a b square c, 16b square c square. You have to write, before starting the maths, you have to write given. You have to write given at first. Then you can solve the maths easily. So you can say 4a square b square minus 16a b square c, 16b square c square. So find out the common part. Common here is b square, b square, b square. Here is 4. Easily we can take common from 16, take common from 16. So 4 b square. So we will get here is a square. 4, 4 the 16, 4. Here is, we have taken common b square. So you get here is ac, and here is b square already taken common, 4 taken common. We get here is 4c square. Now come back, 4b square. Here is a square minus 2 into a, 2a divided by 4ac, 4ac divided by 2a. So we get a cut, 2 cut, we get 2c. So here is b position will be 2c. So here is 2c is the b square. Let's come back. So we have got here is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So easily we can write 4b square into a minus 2c whole square, a minus 2c whole square. So we have got here is 4b square into a minus 2c whole square. So you can see here is a equal 4, b equal 6, c equal 3. Now putting the values of b, here is 4 and b equal to 6, b equal to 6. And a, what is the values of a? Here is a, values of a is 4 minus 2. What is the values of c? C equal 3 whole square, c equal 3 whole square. So we will get 4 into 6 in 6 square, that means 36, and here is 4 minus 6, 4 minus 6 whole square. So we will get 4 into 36 into 4 minus 6, here is whole square. Now we will get here is 4, so write 4 into 36. 4 minus 6 we get here is minus 2 whole square. So 4 into 36 minus 2 whole square, that means minus 2, here is 4. So we get 16 into 36. So if you are interested, you can use the small calculator. 16 into 36, use rough work, we will get 576. So we have got the answer of this maths, 576. So we have got the answer. Now we will do find the value. Already we have done this type of maths in class 7. That means a square plus b square, a to the power 4 plus 1 by a to the power 4, this type of maths. Okay, but according to the system of exercise 4.1, we will have to do. And this is very important, chapter 4. Okay, now we will do this maths. Here is given, you have to write given x minus 1 by x equal to 3. This is not show that or prove that. This is determine or find the value, x square plus 1 by x square. So you have to write now x square plus 1 by x square. So if you forgot, please follow the corollary. We know a square plus b square equal to a minus b whole square plus twice ab, and another a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus twice ab. But here is, you can see given part is minus, given part is minus. For this we have to use this corollary. Okay, we have no need to use this because this is plus but here is minus. For this we have to use this corollary. This is a square, this is b square, this is a square, this is b square. So this is a, this is b. It will be a minus b whole square plus twice a b. Now x minus 1 by x equal to 3. Here is t square, here is plus, here is 2, cut. 9 plus 2 equal to 11. So we have, if we can see, x minus 1 by x equal to 3, x square plus 1 by x square equal to what? So if you want to learn this maths, this chapter, you have to follow all the lectures, and you can share this lecture to your friends. Okay, so like, comments and share. Okay, share to your, for your friends, then your friends will be benefited. Now come back. Now we will do m plus, if m plus 1 by m equal to, prove that m to the power 4 plus 1 by m to the power 4 equal to 2. Now we will do this 3 maths. Then in next lecture we will learn express as a difference of two squares, and we will do the maths of cube by the help of cube rules. A plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube, and we can see there, show that and prove that also. So now we will do this. 2 to the 4 we know. I think you all know 2 to the 4. So here is m to the power 4, 1 by m to the power 4. So m square then whole square, 1 by m square whole square. So a square plus b square, a square plus b square. So we know the rules. A square plus b square corollary equal to a plus b whole square minus twice ab. So we know. If you are interested, you can write. We know a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus twice ab. So easily we can find out a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus twice a, here is b. Now here is m square 1 by m square cut. We can see here is m square plus 1 by m square, m square plus 1 by m square whole square. So here is a square plus b square again, a square plus b square. Now m plus 1 by m whole square minus twice m into 1 by m, here is whole square minus 2. So you can see m plus 1 by m whole square, m plus 1 by m equal to 2. That means m plus 1 by m equal to 2 square. Minus minus cut, here is 2, write 2 whole square minus 2. So we have got here 2 square minus 2. So 4 minus 2 whole square minus 2. So we get here, if you can see, we get here 4 minus 2 equal to we get 4 minus 2 equal to 2 square, 4 minus 2 whole square, 4 minus 2 2 square, minus minus, here is 2, here is 2, 2 to the 4 minus 2, we get 2. So you can see here m plus 1 by m equal to 2, m to the power 4, 1 by m to the power 4 equal to 2. So we have got right hand side here is 2. So we can write, this is right hand side. So here is prove that. So we can write, therefore left hand side equal to right hand side, left hand side equal to right hand side, proved. So we have got this maths already done. Now in the similar way we will have to do a minus 1 by a equal to m. You have to prove that a to the power 4 plus 1 by a to the power 4 equal to m to the power 4, 4m square plus 2. Okay, this is also important math. Okay, so let's come back, we will do this math. Here is a minus 1 by a equal to m. Prove that a to the power 4, 1 by a to the power 4 equal to, we have to prove that m to the power 4, 4m square plus 2. It's very easy and it is very important for you. So if you can see a minus 1 by a equal to m, a to the power 4, 1 by a to the power 4, you have to explain, you have to prove that. Here is 4, a square then whole square, plus, here is plus, 1 by a square whole square. So we have got a square plus b square, same as this maths, a plus b whole square minus twice a b. Now cut it, 1 by a square, cut it. Again you have to break it. So we know a square plus b square equal to a minus b whole square plus twice ab. We know. So here is a square plus b square. Here is a square means a, 1 by a square, this is b. So be careful. You can see a minus 1 by a whole square plus twice a b. This bracket, here is bracket, this bracket, here is bracket. This minus is minus, here is 2. So now you can see here is a square plus b square. A square plus b square equal a minus b whole square plus twice ab. Because here is minus, here is minus. This is the given part. This is the given part. So a square plus 1 by a square, you have to follow this corollary. A minus 1 by a whole square plus twice a into 1 by a. Now cut it, a cut. A minus 1 by a whole square equal to m. That means m square plus 2 whole square minus 2. We have got m square plus 2 whole square minus 2. So easily we can solve it now. This is also a plus b whole square minus 2. So use the rules of a plus b whole square. That means a square plus twice a b plus b square, here is 2. Here is m square plus 2 a plus b whole square, a square plus twice a b plus b square minus, here is 2, here is 2. So we get m to the power 4, 4m square, 2 to the 4 minus 2, here is 4 minus 2. We get here m4 plus 4m square, 4 minus 2, we get here is 2. So left hand side, this equal to, we have got m4, 4m square plus 2. You can see here a to the power 4, 1 by a to the power 4 equal to m square, m to the power 4 plus 4m square plus 2. M to the power 4, 4m square plus 2. This is right hand side. So left hand side, we have got right hand side. So you can write left hand side equal to right hand side. Our maths done. Okay. Now we will do this math. Left hand side equal to right hand side. Just write proved. Okay. You can write proved because here is proved that. So you have to write proved. After completing the maths, if you can say show that, you have to write showed. If you can say prove that, you have to write proved. So here is given a plus b equal 13, a minus b equal 3. Determined 2a square plus 2b square equal what, and ab equal what. So we know the corollary. Here is, at first you have to see, I have written given. Given is essential for maths. If maths given part is essential. So here is a plus b equal 13, a minus b equal 3. 2a square plus 2b square equal to what? I have taken common 2 into a square plus b square. So easily we can write 2 into a square plus b square equal to, we know, a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. You can say here is a plus b equal 13. So a plus b equal 13, a minus b equal 3 square. So 13 square equal to 169, and 3 is a 3 square equal to 9. So 9 plus 9, 18. So we get 178 answer. So we have got 2 into a square plus b square equal to 178. The rule says, that means corollary is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. Values of a plus b equal 13, a minus b equal 3. 13 square equal 169, 3 square equal to 9. Adding this, we have got 178. And here is another part is ab equal to what? ab equal to what? Not 4ab, ab equal to what? So here is ab equal to, we all know, a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square. Be careful. A plus b divided by 2 whole square, a minus b divided by 2 whole square. A plus b equal 13 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square. Now 13 square, here is 2 square. So we get 169 divided by 4. Here is 9 by 4. 9 by 4. So we have got here is 169 minus 9. 4 and 4 LCM 4. 169 minus 9. Come back. 169 minus 9 divided by 4. So we get 160 divided by 4. So 160 by 4. So cut it. We will get 4 for the. So we have got 40. So we have got 178 and only 40. So if you want to learn chapter 4 deeply, so you have to follow all the lectures and you have to share this lecture to your friends. Then your friends will be benefited. So no more today. Thank you. Thank you all.